the vital intrinsic factors responsible for ill health of humans are. So, when we're talking about ill health of humans, and in that we're talking about intrinsic factors, so that means the internal factors that has caused the ill health of that human. Okay, now something is happening inside the body only. There are no external features, there are no external hazards or any other factor impacting our body. It's just that our body internally is not working well, is not working well. Okay. Now that could be any sort of allergic reaction. It could be autoimmune disorders. It could be genetic disorders, right? That where the gene was not expressed in the right form, or we lack some sort of gene that can protect us from something, right? So these all are internal, that the body's internal things have been hampered, or they were disturbed, or they were not, the genes were not expressed properly. Okay, so they are internal intrinsic factors. So genetic disorders are intrinsic factors, whereas environmental hazards, the everything that is happening outside, like because of an apocalypse, like let's say earthquake. So if there is bodily harm, that is because of environmental factors. Some I'm struck with a viral disease like COVID, so that is because of external pathogen agent that entered my body. Protein malfunctioning, that means we did not have enough, or there would be protein deficiency also, right? So they all are extrinsic factors, outer factors, external factors.